might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. It's really cold here today in Georgia, and I hope wherever you are today that y'all's weather is nice for you. It's nice here, but it's just colder than we usually have. Today I'm making easy pumpkin spice cake recipe, and also I have a little touch of bronchitis, so if my voice sounds raspy, that's the reason. And I'm also going to make a no-fail buttercream frosting. So let me get started on this really easy recipe. I'm going to be using Libby's pumpkin. I wanted to use up some of my pumpkin that I had from Thanksgiving, and I also had a bunch of cake mixes I wanted to use up. So I'm going to be using up my spice cake mix and 2 eggs. And this is all that goes in this easy recipe. So let me get started on it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my, I think I'm going to put in my cake mix first. That spice in this cake mix smells really good. Okay, now I'm going to put in my pumpkin. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is put in my 2 eggs. Okay, now then I'm going to beat this for about till it gets good and mixed up. Okay, I'm going to get my spatula. Well, I just use this little spurtle thing right here and raise up my beaters and get this off of the sides. Okay. Okay, I see that some of it is still down on the bottom. Okay. Okay, I think that's good and mixed up now. this over here. Okay. And I'd spray this with a little bit of a cooking spray so it would come out easier. I've been seeing on YouTube where some of y'all are getting an awful lot of snow. We haven't got very much this year, but winter's not over yet. I'm still hoping for just a little bit more, but not like what y'all have. Okay. All right, let me set those to the side and start on this one. This batter did wind up being thick, and I figured it would be since it had pumpkin in it. That was the reason I used my stand mixer. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, my muffins just came out of the oven, and I cooked them for about 18 minutes at 325, and they really do smell good, and they turned out, I think, really great. And so, as soon as they cool off, I'm going to come back and do my buttercream icing. Okay, hi everyone, I'm back, and my muffins have cooled off now, and so I'm ready to make my buttercream icing, and boy, they really look great and smell good too. So let me get over here and get started on my icing. The first thing I'm going to do is add my stick of butter in my stand mixer. And then I'm going to add my vanilla extract. And this recipe will be in the description below. And then I'm going to whip it for about, let's see, it says 1 minute. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk into my powdered sugar. Okay, I'm going to keep adding milk to it till I get the right consistency. Okay, I believe that's the right consistency. Okay, my icing was just about running out on me. Okay. All right, I've got those frosted. I'm going to do a little touch-up work right here. Okay. I think I'll put just a little bit of sprinkles on them. Now then I'll do the taste test. Okay, let's see, which is the ugliest one? This one. So I'll do the taste test. I like the cupcake mix, but my icing, something's off. I believe it needed more vanilla flavoring in it. Captain, would you like to have just a little bitty taste of this and see what you think?
I'll try one taste of it.
Here's your piece off of that side. I didn't eat off of it. See what you think.
Marie, I think the icing's okay.
You do?
Yeah, it's got a real good taste to it.
Okay. I'm very critical sometimes of my icing. You taste it up again. Okay, I think it's pretty good.
It may not be up to your standards, but it's good icing. I enjoyed it.
Okay.
Maybe if anyone else makes it, they may want to put a little more vanilla flavor in it.
Yeah, and also I didn't have regular cream like I usually use. I had almond milk, and that probably added something to the taste of my icing. So if I was y'all, I would use cream instead of almond milk. But how did you like it?
I liked it. It was real good. And the muffin had a great taste to it. And like I said, the icing's not bad at all.
Okay, well, I give it probably a 3.5. And Calvin, you give it a...
I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5. I liked it.
Oh, okay. I just probably am going to not use almond milk in my icing anymore. I will stick with cream. But anyway, if y'all make these muffins, let me know how you enjoyed them in the comments below. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?